a toy that takes normal batteries and converting it to a toy that takes a rechargeable battery. Than before. Let's do it. That's a good one, wheel.
So guys, as you can see, Aron's removed all of the screws, all of the wheels, and now he's split the car into two. The wiring is exposed, so you can have a look at each one of the wires that go to the motors, and from now Aron's going to try and figure out which wires is required to connect to the rechargeable battery. Okay guys, so Aron's got his rechargeable car. This takes a rechargeable battery. What he's going to do is remove the battery from this vehicle and transfer it to the standard operated remote control car that he's just stripped apart. So as you can see, that's the rechargeable battery. It's connected with two cables. He squeezes the lug to pull it out, and that's going to be the main battery source now for the black and red car that he's stripped apart. So here Aron has identified the power cables coming in from the battery tray. He's going to snip them and then solder them to connect directly to the rechargeable battery. So for this part you're going to need adult supervision or help. Aron's going to drill through a hole from the battery cradle into the motor setup so that he can run the cables for the rechargeable battery from the bottom up. So Aron has measured the cables that he requires to run through from the battery cradle into the motor system where he will be connected to the existing wiring. He's going to need his dad's help here to solder the wires in and then to close it off. So guys, after doing all of that work, removing all of the uh, plastic trays to reveal the cables, Aaron and I figured out that those cables were only there to power up the lights. We then figured out that we didn't need to remove the entire car or strip the entire car apart. All we needed to do was solder a positive and negative cable onto that battery tray right there, you would see, and that then drives power into the motors and to the lights. So in the end, if you've been watching the video all this way, you don't need to strip your car. All you need to do is solder in wires into the existing tray, positive, negative, and then attach it to a rechargeable battery. But we learnt. So Aaron's now going to close up the car. Once he's done with that, we're going to test it and show you guys how it operates on a single rechargeable battery versus the four AA non-rechargeable batteries that it was designed for. And there you go. Aaron created a rechargeable car. And it is extremely fast on the one battery, as you can see.
Back.